Welcome to the Ultimate Road Signs Quiz. Test your knowledge with 50 questions about road signs you'll encounter on the road. Each question will have 4 options, A, B, C. Take your time, think carefully, and see how many you can get right. Let's get. Question 1. What does a red octagon sign mean? A. Yield. B. Stop. C. Stop ahead. The correct answer is B. Stop. Question 2. What does a triangular red and white sign indicate? A. School zone. B. Yield. C. No entry. The correct answer is B. Yield. Question 3. A circular sign with a red border usually means A. Information. B. Warning. C. Prohibition. The correct answer is C. Prohibition. Question 4. What does a yellow diamond-shaped sign mean? A. Speed regulation. B. Warning. C. Parking. The correct answer is B. Warning. Question 5. What does a white rectangular sign usually show? A. Construction. B. Direction only. C. Traffic laws or regulations. The correct answer is C. Traffic laws or regulations. Question 6. What does a speed limit 30 sign indicate? A. Suggested speed. B. Minimum speed. C. Maximum legal speed. The correct answer is C. Maximum legal speed. Question 7. What does a red circle with a white horizontal line mean? A. Yield. B. Stop. C. No entry. The correct answer is C. No entry. Question 8. What does a no U-turn sign mean? A. U-turn allowed. B. U-turn prohibited. C. Turn left only. The correct answer is B. U-turn prohibited. Question 9. What does a one-way sign tell you? A. Two-way traffic. B. Traffic flows in one direction only. C. No passing. The correct answer is B. Traffic flows in one direction only. Question 10. What does a pedestrian crossing sign warn you about? A. Pedestrians crossing ahead. B. Parking. C. School zone. The correct answer is A. Pedestrians crossing ahead. If you pass this quiz, you're on the right track. If not, don't worry. Practice makes perfect. Subscribe to Drive Smart Academy for daily driving quizzes, road signs, and test tips. Your safe driving journey starts here.